Alright, you recording?
Yep.
They call us freaks, and me.
It's coincidence.
It's perfect. Okay.
Oh, I think that's what you were on about. And me and Davina are doing the Rubik's Cube challenge to see who can do it the fastest.
I'm a time.
We have Emma timing
Oh my god.
and Nicola eating crackers.
I have cereal.
Are you ready
Good
to press
for you.
start? Are you ready to start the timer?
One,
Right, tell me when to go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. I'm gonna fail.
I did play with Karen and the rest.
Don't do that again!
Narrating Karen is fun. That's what I do with Daniela and...
You do that with me, you know?
Yeah, I do that. I narrate. As Karen is solving the Rubik's Cube, I'm eating crackers. Is it?
Off-putting much?
No.
The answer is yes, it is off-putting much.
Not for me. As we can see, there's a young Karen in the wild, solving a Rubik's Cube
Karen,
in
9
her
o'clock.
natural habitat.
Is it 9?
It's 9 o'clock. It's not 9 o'clock.
It is 12, 3, 6, 9. Coming at 9 o'clock.
Oh my god!
I thought you meant the actual time.
It's
Sorry.
it's 1 o'clock at the moment.
What if it's like this? It's 9 o'clock.
It's actually 5 past
No,
1.
Cameron's 9 o'clock to you.
Still 1 o'clock.
What's Cameron to me? Cameron's 9 o'clock.
I hear fruits. Now subscribe to my channel, Knickknacks 101. Plenty of vlogs there.
I also have my vlog channel. They call me Karen One.
Yeah.
Multitasking.
Oh shush.
I just did that wrong.
Faces of the video.
How many seconds? Minutes?
1 minute 20.
I'm gonna fail.
I'm gonna fail this. I can't. Mine takes like over 2
We're
minutes.
psychic.
Well, mine's gonna take like 5 minutes.
We're not gonna fail because we're not good. Exactly.
I used to be good.
She was actually. She was one of the best in school. No,
Did
I don't
you?
think so. I don't think. No,
Not
she
really.
was.
It was Janet, I swear.
It's Janet.
Oh yeah, she's amazing.
Shit, yeah.
Whoa!
Mature content like that. Swearing. Sure. That's just. It just came out of nowhere. It's like, oh
This is gonna fail.
I'm Karen.
I'm not a wild Karen.
It's an angry. It's an angry.
Kangaroo. Is this like
We're not
biggest?
from Australia. Good day, mate. This is a Karen here. Here's a Karen here, solving Rubik's Cube. And she's epically failing at it.
You guys are putting me off so bad.
We have not
That's
found
my
a dingo, but we got a wild Karen here. No, we got a kangaroo.
Yes!
Kangaroo.
How many seconds was that?
2 minutes 30.
All right, I'm gonna try and do that.
Okay.
Right, we're doing the...
Now it's Davina's turn.
Yep,
Mhm.
Rubik's Cube.
Well, no.
No.
I'm not doing that again.
Yes, do not.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
Okay.
no. 1 minute. Oh, wait, no, you cannot do this to me. Don't.
They was a state of men in northeastern. Yeah, airport. See, that was the Lonely Mountain. I said that.
Let's focus on
in the middle
Davina.
of Okay. In the Hobbit, there was a city of men on the river running between the Lonely Mountain and the Long Lake. It was ruled by Lord Julian. G-I-R-I-O-N. Oh, the dragon.
I have no idea what they're on
It was-
about.
Neither.
Lord of the Rings, I'm sorry.
The Hobbit, no, because someone said Davina was from, she said she was a dwarf, and I said, yeah, from Dale. Oh, yeah.
And I was looking to see
I
if,
missed all of this conversation.
and then I was seeing if dwarfs did come from Dale. Which was in front of everyone.
Nicola said that.
Yeah, well, she's a dwarf.
Shut up.
I can't
It's
find
alright, I might just mute all the speaking out of this video so we don't have any nerd talk.
You're a nerd.
I like the Hobbit.
I don't
Yeah,
mind.
dwarfs.
See, permanent residents, men of Dale, and dwarfs. Ah!
Shut up.
I won.
She's not a dwarf, she's a munchkin.
Well,
though.
she,
Oh, go away.
yeah. She's not one of the hobbits though, 'cause she hasn't got hairy feet.
Davina, do you have hairy feet?
Hairy feet.
Do you have hairy feet?
How many seconds?
1 minute 27.
Right, no, don't do this.
Please don't win.
Don't say that, I need to win.
www.
You're gonna win.
Google.
Jujel. She's so aggressive. I went aggressive as well though. So.
You went super.
I was nearly gonna mess that. No, I did mess that up.
Yes, I could win.
Oh dear.
No, that's not fair. That is so not fair.
Life's not fair.
It is for me. I was gonna film.
How many seconds? How many seconds?
2 minutes 6.
No! 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 No!
Oh, it is. Well, it's not now.
It wasn't, she said.
How many seconds? How many seconds?
2 minutes 18. Just focus, man.
At least they're not doing accents for you.
Oh yeah, we're done.
What was the time?
Child.
Oh no. What's the
The
time?
winner is
Davina, yeah.
2 minutes 27.
By 3 minutes.
I told
Okay.
you I'd take like over 2 minutes.
I could do it in 2 minutes before.
Yeah, we could do it in 1 minute.
Yeah.
Really?
No, me and you, we can do it in 1 minute.
Do what? This?
Yeah, that's why we didn't do it.
Yeah, they're not doing it because they're amazing. Right, so Davina won that one.
Right?
I actually won a challenge.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and to all 3 channels that we mentioned. They'll all be in the link below. The description below.